Good morning, children. Welcome back to your maths class. Today we are doing revision of addition and subtraction up to 100. This is part 3 of it. Here we are going to learn about subtraction using the number line, subtraction of 2-digit numbers and addition of 3-digit numbers. This is your teacher, Miss S. Fatima. So let's start the class. As we have already learned, addition of two 3-digit numbers is we have to first add the ones side and then we are going to add the tens side. Now adding the one side, whatever the answer will be, one digit we will write and the other digit we will move forward, carry it forward under the tens section, and from then after adding the tens section we will add the carry forward number and then we will write the total number in the answer. Let's see some examples. Now as you can see on the first example, the questions are 12 plus 23 plus 46. Okay, so first we are going to add the ones side. What we have in ones? 2, 3 and 6. 2 plus 3 it will be 5. Then 5 plus 6 it will be 11. So 11's 1 we will write and 1 we will carry it forward to the tens side. Now going to the tens side, there are three numbers 1, 2 and 4 and the carry forward of 1. So 1 plus 2 it will be 3 and then 3 plus 4 it will be 7. 7 will be the answer of tens side, but we also have 1 from the carry forward of ones. So 7 plus 1 it will be 8. So the answer will be 81. The second one is also the same. 62 plus 11 plus 18. So first we'll add the one side, that is 2 plus 1, that is 3. 3 plus 8 it will be 11. 11's 1 we will write, 1 will go to the 10 side. 10 side we'll add 6 plus 1 7, then plus 1 8, and 8 plus carry forward of 1, that is 9. So the total will be 91. And I have done some more examples for you. Kindly see to it. Now coming to the number line, subtraction using the number line. Now what is subtraction? Subtraction means going backwards. Okay, subtracting it, minus. Now number line means a line on which numbers are written. Okay, as you can see here, there is the question 18 minus 5. So from 18 number we have to deduct 5. We have to go back 5 numbers. So if we jump backwards 5 times, we land on 13. So 18 minus 5, the answer will be 13. Coming to the next question number 12. There are 3 questions of number lines which I have done it for you. You can see it. The first one is 39 minus 4. So on the number line you can see 39 is there. We are going to jump 4 numbers back. From jumping 39, 4 numbers back from 39, the answer will be 35. So 39 minus 4 will be 35. You can see the other examples also. Now coming on subtraction of 2-digit numbers. Subtraction we already know, it is going backwards, that is deducting the numbers. There are 2 digits given, 75 and then again 2 digits, 12. So we have to deduct 75 and 12 from 75. So what we are going to do is, first we will deduct the ones side, that is 5 and 2. So 5 minus 2 will be 3. If we deduct 2 from 5, the answer will be 3. And then on the tens side there are 2 numbers 7 and 1. So we have to deduct 1 from 7. So if we subtract 1 from 7, the answer will be 6. So the answer 75 minus 12, answer will be 63. Coming to some examples. 44 minus 22. So first, as we have already studied, we have to deduct the ones side. Ones we have 4 and 2. So if we deduct 2 from 4, the answer will be 2. That is, we have to go 2 numbers back from 4. It will be 2. Then again 4 minus 2, it will be 2. So the answer will be 22. See the next one. 38 minus 4. Here we have to deduct the ones side first. 8 minus 4, it will be 4. And we don't have anything to deduct from 3 on the tens side. So we'll just copy down 3. So the answer will be 34. So you can see the questions, the answers. So we'll keep the class till here, children. In the next class, we'll move on to some other topics of the same chapter. Till then, be at home. God bless you all. Thank you so much.